Hello guys, welcome to Greenwood Academy. We are still on the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. And you can see in my first video, I explained that there's a way they can give you question like indicatively indicating if the indicatively telling that it's find determinant. But when you understand that this bracket is straight bracket mean determinant. So which means we want to find the determinant of these matrices. Very, very easy. From figure 1, we have something like this. We have 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 1. Saying that it's a straight bracket, which means it is what? Find determinant. If you can see from the picture, there is no see anywhere they mention determinant. But if you understand that the straight bracket means what? Determinant, which means you're looking for determinant. Then 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is now 2. Then minus, I said always minus. Minus 1 times minus 2 is now what? 2. Then 2 minus 2 is now what? 0, which means the determinant of this matrix is there is what? 0. And it has meaning. In my next video, I will explain that. Then 2, we have, let me write my 2 here. One to go 2. We have 2 whole number, 1 over what? 2. 6 whole number, 1 over 4. 5. And 1 whole number, 1 over 4. So we have to convert this one to what? Improper fraction. 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 2, plus 1 we have 5 all over 2. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25, all over 4. Then here is 5. Then here is 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 we have 5 all over 4. So this one means that we are looking for the determinant of these matrices. So which means you are multiplying this from the right, and multiplying this first. Just think that firstly multiply. We have what? 5 all over 2 multiplied by 5 all over 4. Minus, always minus please. Here we have 5 times 25 all over 4. So we now have 5 times 5 is now 25 all over 2 times 4 we have 8. Minus 5 times 25 we have 125 all over 4. So we have to find the LCM of 8 and 4, which is what? 8. Because 8 can be divided by what? 4. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 25 we have 25. Minus 8 divided by 4, we have 2. 2 times 125, we have 250. 250. Which means that if you subtract it, 25 minus 250, you have minus 225 all over 8. This is what we have as a fraction. Since that the number at the is bigger than the number at the we have to check how many times we go into 225 is minus 20. Here, if you use 22 to divide 8, 8 times 4 is 24, but this is not up to 24. 8 times 2 is what? 16, which means it goes 2 times. And 22 minus 16, we have 6. So if we put that 6 at the back of this, it's 65. 65 divided by 8, we have 8, remainder 1 all over 8. This is what we have as a mixed fraction. This is Roman figure 2. And Roman figure 3 is very, very easy as well. We have Roman figure 3. We have 5 root 7, 5 root 7, 5 root 7, 2 root 2. So we have these 2 root 2. Then we have 2 root 14, 2 root 14. Then the other one is 2 root 3. 2 root what? 3. This is what we are looking for. And how can you solve them? How to multiply? Always start using your right first. We have 5 times, I'm looking for the, I'm using function now. 5 times 2 is 10. Then the root now. 3 times 7 is 21, that is root 21. Minus the quotient now, 2 times 2 is 4. Then root now, 14 times 2 is 28. 28. And for the coefficients, if you look at it, in the quotient, 2 can go here, 2 can go here. That is 2 is common as coefficient. Then this is 21 in this side root. This is another what? This is 28. 7 can go into 21, 7 can go into what? 28. That means what? Root 7 is what common. Which means 2 root 7 is common. Which means that we are going to have 2 root 7, 2 root 7, open bracket, 10 divided by 2, we have 5. Root 21 divided by 7, we have 3. Minus 4 divided by 2, we have 2. Root 28 divided by 7, we have 4. So the answer now is 2 root 7, open bracket 5 root 3, minus 2 root 4. even though this root 4 have what? Perfect square root, we can continue because there is what perfect square root here. Which means that we now have equal to 2 root 7, open bracket, 5 root 3, 5 root 3 minus 2 times root of 4. Root of 4 is what? 2, close bracket. Which means that we are going to have 2 root 7, 2 root 7, 2 root 7, open bracket, 5 root 3 minus 2 times 2 is 4. Which this is the final answer for the third question. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. You will see more of this video very, very soon. Please, thank you and peace.